In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix you can't buy or sell items on Facebook Marketplace. If Facebook Marketplace is not letting you buy or sell items, there are several things you can check, and in many cases, the issue is tied to account access, eligibility, or a simple app problem. We'll go through the most effective ways to troubleshoot it clearly and quickly. First, open the Facebook app or website and tap or click on Marketplace. This is the easiest place to start because Facebook may show a message right away explaining what's wrong. If you see a notice saying your access is restricted, carefully follow the on-screen instructions. Facebook sometimes limits marketplace access due to policy reviews, unusual activity, or account-related restrictions. Next, review your account status. Open Facebook, tap your profile picture, then go to Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. If you see an account status section, open it and look for any violations, warnings, or restrictions that may be affecting your ability to use Marketplace. This step is important because even if Marketplace isn't showing a detailed message, your account status may reveal the reason. If Facebook gives you the option to request a review or submit an appeal, go back into Marketplace and tap that option. Then follow the prompts to send your request. Once submitted, you'll need to wait for Facebook to review your account. Be patient here, since these reviews can take some time. You should also make sure you meet Facebook Marketplace requirements. You need to be using a personal Facebook account. Your account should be in good standing. You must meet the minimum age requirement for your region, and Marketplace must be available where you live. If any of these conditions are not met, Marketplace access may be limited or unavailable. Another common fix is updating the Facebook app. Open your device's app store, search for Facebook, and install any available updates. After that, restart the app and check Marketplace again. An outdated app can sometimes cause features to malfunction. If you're using Android, you can also clear the app cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps, then Facebook, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. After that, reopen Facebook. If you're on iPhone or iPad, there isn't a built-in cache clearing option, so uninstalling and reinstalling the app may help instead. You can also try logging out of Facebook, closing the app completely, and then signing back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve temporary glitches. Finally, check your support inbox. In Facebook, go to Settings and Privacy, then Help and Support, and open Support Inbox. Review any notices related to marketplace restrictions or account actions, since Facebook may have already explained the issue there. Those are the main ways to fix Facebook Marketplace when you can't buy or sell items.